Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Junior Technologies. Today I am going to discuss convert class in C Sharp. This is condition to previous video. Convert string to numbers in C Sharp. Please go through previous video before going to this video. The static methods of convert class are used to convert from one base data type to another base data type. We'll discuss convert class methods using Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and create C Sharp application. Here declare double variable double pi equal to 3.14. Now I need to convert double to integer. Double is 64-bit, integer is 32-bit. We can convert double to integer, but we lost the data. Why we lost data means double is 64-bit, integer is 32-bit. We are storing high value to low value, so we lost the data. Here we will convert from double to integer using convert dot 2 in 32 and pass pi variable pi. Here convert is a class and 2 in 32 is the method. If you put cursor on convert class, here convert a base data type to another base data type. Put cursor on 2 in 32 method. Here converts the value of the specified double precision floating point number to an equivalent 32-bit signed integer. If we provide the value more than integer, then we'll get overflow exception. So here using convert class, we're converting from double to integer. So here 2 in 32 returning integer. We need to store an integer variable int result console.writeLine result. We'll put breakpoint here. Go to debug. Click on start debugging or F5. Later click step into or F11 for debugging. Click on start debugging. Here we have locals window. Before assigning value for the value types, default value is 0. Here double default is 0. Int default is 0. F11. Now pi value is 3.14 and type is double. We are converting double to integer. Here pi 3.14 converted to integer. F11. Here 3.14 converted to 3. Here we lost 0.14. So using convert.2 in 32 method, we are converting double to integer. Now we'll see another example. String s equal to double quotation 1, 2, 3. If you provide anything in double quotation, that is a string. Here 123 is a string. Now we'll convert string to integer. Convert dot 2 in 32. Here we need to pass string s. Here integer taking string value and returning integer. So store it in integer int I. Console.writeLine I. Remove breakpoint here and put breakpoint here. Click F5. Now here s is a string, it's in double quotation. Later we are converting string to integer, that means in double quotation 123 to integer F11. Now here I is equal to 123. It's converted from string to integer using convert.2 in 32. Here we have output like 123. Here using convert.2 in 32, we are converting string to integer. Here convert is a class. We will right click on convert class. Go to definition. Here convert is a static class. Static class contains all the static methods. Here we have different static methods. For example, consider 2 boolean. 2 boolean is a static method, and here we have different types of overload methods. Overloading means same method name but different number of parameters or different types of parameters within the class is called overloading. We will discuss overloading in the future videos. Convert is a static class and it contains multiple methods. So we can convert from one base type to other base type using convert class. Go to program.cs. We'll write other code. Here int j equal to 123 string k equal to. Here I need to convert integer to string. What we can do? One is convert dot to string and pass integer value j. Here j is an integer. We are converting integer to string using convert.toString method. Print the output. Console.writeLine k. Remove breakpoint this one and put breakpoint here. Click F5. Here j is the integer and value is 123. We are converting integer to string F11. Now using convert.toString, we are converting integer to string. If you see this one, here k is equal to 123 and 123 in double quotes. That means 123 is a string. We convert from integer to string and here output like 123. Here remove this one, convert dot. We have different types of methods. If you want to convert to boolean, we can use toBoolean. If you want to convert from integer to byte, we can use toByte. If you want to convert to character, toChar, toDateType, like that. Using convert class, we can use different types of static methods. We have few restrictions for convert class. We'll see what are the restrictions. Remove this code. At the time of using static methods of convert class, we may get different types of exceptions. Those exceptions are invalid cast exception, another one is format exception. For example, if we convert from character to boolean, single, double, decimal or date time, we may get invalid cast exception. Conversions from boolean, single, double, decimal or date time to character, conversions from date time to any other type except string, conversions from any other type except string to date time. Now we'll see few of the exceptions. For example, conversion from character to boolean. Here char c equal to, in single quotes, capital A. So this is a character. Now we'll try to convert character to boolean. Convert dot to boolean of, pass the character c. Now if you put cursor on this one, it's taking character value and returning boolean value. So here bool b, console.writeLine b, put breakpoint here, click F5, F11, c is equal to a and 65 is the ASCII code for a. We are converting character to boolean F11. We are getting runtime exception, that is invalid cast from character to boolean. So if we try to convert from character to boolean, single, double, decimal or date time, we will get invalid cast exception. Here we are getting invalid cast exception. Like that, conversion from any other type except string to date time. Stop this one. Remove this code. Int I equal to 123. Convert dot to date time of I. Here date time taking integer value and returning date time. So here we will get runtime error. Control F5. We are getting invalid cast exception. Invalid cast from int32 to date time. That means date time cannot convert integer to date time. So we can't use this one. Now we'll discuss format exception. A string to be converted to a boolean value does not equal boolean.toString or boolean.falseString. A string to be converted to a character value consists of multiple characters. A string to be converted to any numeric type is not recognized as valid number. A string to be converted to date time is not recognized as a valid date and time value. For these type of values, we'll get format exception. We'll check first one. Remove this code. String s equal to, in double quotation, true. True is boolean value. Here convert dot to boolean and pass string value. So to boolean taking string value and returning bool. So store it in boolean bool b, console.writeLine b, put breakpoint here, F5. Here string s, default value is null, and boolean default value is false. F11, now S is equal to true. Now string S contains correct value, so it will convert from string to boolean. F11, now this string converted to boolean value. F11, print the output, so we don't have an issue. Let's stop this one. Here, what is this one? A string to be converted to a boolean value does not equal boolean.toString or boolean.falseString. If the string doesn't contain other than true or false, then we'll get runtime error, that is format exception. For example, here I will provide as true one. F5, F11, now S contains true one. This is not boolean value. So if you use convert.to boolean, this method will enable to convert true one to boolean value. F11 will get runtime error as system.format exception. String true one was not recognized as a valid boolean. Stop execution. Now we'll check this one. A string to be converted to a character value consists of multiple characters. Here string S is equal to ABC. Here convert string to character, to char, a char. Execute this program. F5, F11. Here S contains ABC. We are converting ABC to character. Character allows only one character only, but we are passing multiple characters. We'll get runtime exception. F11. A system.format exception. String must be exactly one character. If the string contains multiple characters, then convert.toChar method will enable to convert string to character. We'll change to single character. Here string S is equal to A. F5, F11. Here S contains A. Then we'll convert string A to character A. F11. Now B contains small a and ASCII code is 97. It converts it from string to character. F11. And here we have output like A. What we discuss in this video is the static methods of convert class are used to convert from one base data type to another base data type, and we have discussed different types of exceptions. Those exceptions are invalid cast exception and format exception. We tried few examples and generated exceptions. You can try remaining things. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.